Enjoy the benefits that fresh juice provides with less effort. Oster JusSimple Juicers are easy to clean and easy to use, so you can squeeze more nutrients into your glass and more time into your day. Extra wide feeding tube to pour whole ingredients, which reduces your prep work. Better extraction with variable speeds. Minimize dripping on your countertop when you're done juicing. The Oster JusSimple Juicer parts are easy to assemble. Simply take the parts out and rinse to clean. The intuitive design makes putting the parts back in a breeze. It's designed in a seamless way, meaning pulp won't get stuck in grooves and gaps. It is more efficient at extracting just the nutrients you need. Unique, easy-to-clean rinse and ready filter, designed to be cleaned in 1/3 of the time than stainless steel filters. Just rinse it in water. Less scrubbing. The Oster JusSimple Juicer. More health, less hassle.